Hello, good morning. This is Mrs. Solly of Mrs. Solly Channel, and today we are back in Bristol Harbor because we are going to look at the 40-meter long misconduct vessel. Isa po siyang yacht which was originally built in Florida and is now owned by two unnamed Bristol businessmen who converted it from a dinner cruise ship into their home and charity headquarters. Ayan. It's an American super yacht used by Donald Trump, and it is now docked at Bristol Harbor. Ayan. Bonggacious siya. Meron siyang helicopter landing pad on top of the yacht. Ayan. At siya ay 40-meter long. Ayan, and so additional information, the yacht was based in New York for 20 years and became a popular dinner cruise venue with billionaire George Soros and Donald Trump. And the yacht was once hired by a film company for the 1989 hit film Arthur II, starring Liza Minnelli and Dudley Moore. O diba, social na social yung yacht na yun. Teka nga, magmaritas tayo o syusohin natin yung ating yacht. Tara. So ayan, we are now approaching the super yacht. And it's got the chopper right on top. Ayan, tingnan natin. So nakikita niyo yung helicopter, yung chopper right on top. This is the misconduct. Ayan. Misconduct. Ayan. Nakikita niya may mga tao na dun sa ano. Ayan o. It's massive. Yeah. Super Yacht. Misconduct. There's the flag of the UK on top. Look at the inside. Ayan, dami. May mga tao na sa loob. It's a 40-meter long vessel. Ayan yung front niya. Ayan.
Nie, może mógłbym, ale musiałbym się dobrze przygotowywać.
Ganda, no? To misconduct. So you can see there at my back the super yacht. Ayan siya, oh. So that's the super yacht right at my back. And it's used by Donald Trump. And the movie is starring Liza Minnelli and Dudley Moore. And it was built in 1987. It's now here at the Bristol Harbor. Ayan. Misconduct. So anyway, this is Mrs. Solly of Mrs. Solly Channel right here at Bristol Harbor, and thank you for joining me here looking at our super yacht. Ayan, I hope to see you in my next vlog and my next adventure. Thank you for joining me.